way I'm removing the dash here is to remove all the screws from the front here. Get the bars turned to a way where you can kind of get to the side, remove the plug, and then there's 3 screws on the back of the speedometer, and I'm just using a really like a short screwdriver or something, get in behind there and just undo them all and get to the top one. Then once all the screws are removed, you can then take the Speedo out. In some videos they just show you them pulling off this, but I found it was quite difficult. So what I did was got a screwdriver, got it under there, underneath the dial, and then just twisted it and then just pried it off slowly. Maybe got a bigger screwdriver and got it off, and then it eventually pulled off the shaft. And it's just a little friction fit onto the speedometer shaft, so that goes onto there. And that just comes off. These are the LEDs I got off eBay. It's a replacement lamp for a car, and as you can see they're exactly the same size as the original ones. Try and get it focused. Yep. Now if you look closely you'll see what I mean when you get this apart. There's a little notch in the corner of the LED on the board. It's just in this corner up here. There's a little notch in the LED, and on the LEDs on this board there's a little notch up the top there. So that's how you can tell which way to arrange them when soldering them back on. Once you've replaced all the LEDs, I'd recommend going through with a multimeter, put onto the diode test function, and then going through and seeing if they all light up. And then going through just to check if there's any shorts or any dry solder joints. Put the dash back in the bike temporarily without screws, and then you want to turn it on, check if the lights work, all the LEDs work, and the LCD, all the parts on the LCD work, and the dial moves full range. If it doesn't, you might have to open it up and reset the LCD against the board, or adjust the dial.